Bought crypto on SoFi and now want to move it to your own private wallet for more control? It's a common next step, but the process isn't always obvious. Let me walk you through it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A quick, critical note: as of now, SoFi does not support transfers of cryptocurrency to external wallets. You can only buy, sell, and hold crypto within the SoFi platform. This is a major limitation to be aware of. It means you cannot send your Bitcoin to a cold storage wallet like a Ledger or to another exchange like Coinbase. Your only option for now is to sell the crypto within SoFi and withdraw the cash. Then, you could use those funds to repurchase the crypto on an exchange that does allow external transfers. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: understand the "not your keys, not your crypto" principle. While SoFi is convenient, holding crypto on any exchange means you don't control the private keys. For long-term holdings, using an exchange that allows transfers to your own wallet is essential for true ownership. So, just like that, you understand the current boundaries of SoFi's crypto service and can plan accordingly. Is the ability to transfer crypto out a must-have feature for you? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.